Hi, everybody. Hello. Welcome to Infamous Sylvia. Thank you guys for being here. I'm gonna wait for a few seconds, a few minutes before I get started to get everyone up in this chat. Let me just go ahead on and play some music for you guys as everyone comes in. Say hello to one another. This is like the meet and greet part of the live. All right, I'll be right back. So go ahead and speak to one another. I'll be right back. All right, guys. Did I finish listening to enough rock music? I know I'm kind of like weird. Hey guys, hello. Good evening. Let me say hello to the people in the chat. Hello, Lady Magenta Spirit. Hello, Lady Coltrane. To the two ladies together, huh? Hey, Kimberly Black. Hello, Pretty Brown Eyes. Black Beauties in the house. Trissy. T-Girl. Hello, everybody. Welcome. Good evening. I'm breathing hard because I ran up the stairs and I realized how out of shape I am. But that's okay. All right, guys. Good evening. As you guys can see, I titled this, Here's Why Ericka King got bond and Mr. Ernesto didn't get bond. I know you guys have heard a lot. Hey, Snack, how are you doing? I know you guys have been listening all over the internet. Shout out to phone calls from prison. She's the one who actually started the phone calls going. Hold on. I got to do this music here. This music you're about to hear is when someone gives me Cash App and I do the announcement. I go ring this music here for the Cash App just to say thank you to the individual that hit the Cash App. So today we have Miss Kimberly Black. Thank you, Kim. So much money. So much. Thank you, Kim, for hate you so much. But as I was saying, you guys have heard about the situation with Shirley Strawberry's husband. He's still her husband until it is done legally otherwise. According to what I know, that is her husband. This is who she says is her husband. And I haven't checked any documents saying he's not. I don't know anything about these other stuff. I'm going to stay in my lane. And my lane is just to bring you the documents that's happening in the courthouse. Because whether or not she married to him, has no bearing on what's happening on the case right now. So, but I'm going to bring you guys the facts what's happening. As you know, last year he and Ericka King was arrested. The reason why I'm saying I had to think of her name because I know one part she's using Hughley, then somebody said Rothschild. I don't know, but all I know the document says Ericka King, and we're going to deal with what the document said. We're going to just deal with documents, okay? We're not going to deal with coulda, woulda, shoulda, whatever. We're dealing with documents, okay? What I'm going to read for you tonight is why she got bail and some of the things that was happening in regards to her. I do have old video back in June when all of this was happening, when he was in court. I brought to you guys' attention the actual hearing, which was done by Judge Manning. I have been in her courtroom. I know her personally, and I was there at the bond hearing, not the first one, but the second bond hearing. Yes, that is his co-defendant. Yes, Miss Queen. I was gonna get to that, but as I was saying, I am very familiar with Judge Manning. She's one of the judges. One of the judges been at Fulton County a long time, and she's very well known in that courtroom, in that court building. As I was saying, I have been in the court. I have been in at the hearing. The last hearing did not happen because they decided not to prosecute those two cases, which were the smaller case. One was theft by deception, and then the other one had to do with the check, the writing a bad check type of thing. So those two was dropped, right? But we have other cases that he's still dealing with. But today we're going to concentrate on Ericka. Okay, Ericka is his co-defendant. She's part of the theft, the deception, and the fake business allegations. So we all know that he is still in jail, but she is out on bond. And there is certain circumstances that helped her to be able to get out of bond. And I'm going to go through all those paperwork with you today. Okay. Do you guys get a chance to say hello to each other? Hi. And if you didn't get a chance to see the old things of Ernesto, I do have it on my channel. And also, the other channels that has been has all the information on what happened in the past. You have Pam. She's the attorney. She's the one that has legal advice. I am not an attorney. I cannot give any kind of legal advice. I don't know the law. All I can do is read what's on the paperwork and give you my commentary, my opinion. And I try not to give too much of my opinion on anything because I don't want anybody to hold me liable for anything. You know what I'm saying? So I try to go for it straightforward. And please be kind to one another in the chat. I do not like people bickering and fighting over their opinion. Everybody's entitled to their opinion. I ask, do not attack one another. Do not attack me. Do not attack my guests. Let's keep it nice. Let's be nice in the chat. Let's all get along. I know it's hard for some people not to get along, but fake it in this chat, okay? Fake it till you make it. Let's act like we one big whole family, okay? So no attacks. Get it? No attacks on one another. No attacks on me. No attacks on my guests on the platform. If somebody comes up on the platform, can I get a thumbs up if you guys agree with doing that for me? Give me a thumbs up. I'm what you call the nice channel. I want people to just get along. Like Rodney King, why can't we just all get along? Okay. All right. Nobody's going to give me a thumbs up? What? You're not going to give me a thumbs up. Thank you, Miss Pretty Brown Eye. Thank you, Trissy. Thank you, Kimberly. Thank you, Black Beauty. Thank you guys for giving me a thumbs up that it's cool to be nice to one another. But if you're not nice, I have some mods that will be ready to snap and just wipe you out. Seriously. They snap and they be like, pew, 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 wipe you out. Thank you, Majestic. Thank you, Steph. They will be ready to pew, 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 get you out of here. And then guess what? When you get you, then they get you out of here. I can't bring you back because they'll come and get me. They'll be like, Sylvia, why did you let them back in here? Because they were talking bad about you. Now my thumbs hurt. Spitting Fire. Shout out to Spitting Fire, you guys. If you guys don't know her, she is the dragon. She will cuss you out. On this channel, we don't do that cussing stuff. But if you want some good cussing, go to Spitting Fire's channel. No, I'm just joking. No. She's the dragon. She spits out. She stands for justice. If you guys just check out her channel, Spitting Fire. I have some wonderful ladies, y'all, that I always shout them out. Prison calls from prison, which most of you guys are coming from her. The new people are coming from her channel, or Love, Lies, and Lace Front. I got it. Her channel, and also Pam and the Intellect Attorneys. Pam, the Intellect Lawyer. Okay, you guys got it right. So just check those channels out. Those wonderful lady, as well as a few fellas. I just can't think of them right now, but I always got to shout out the ladies. Okay, what up though? Everything's fine. All right, y'all, let's get enough small talk. Let me get going. I was trying to let people get into the chats. Okay, guys, back in July of 2022, Mr. Ernesto and Ericka King was arrested for doing fraudulent things, okay? And some of the charges that they were charged with was things like forgery, first degree, making false, well, let me just tell you Ericka's charges. We're not dealing with Ernesto, we're going to deal with Ericka. Ericka's charges was 1, forgery in the first degree. 2, knowingly filing false document against a person. Another charge for knowingly filing false document against a person. 4, impersonating another in the acknowledgement and recognize bail or judgment. 5, forgery in the first degree. 6, forgery in the first degree. 7, forgery in the first degree. 8, aggravated identity fraud. 9, aggravated identity fraud. 10, aggravated identity fraud. 11, aggravated identity fraud. 12, false statement. 13, unauthorized practice of the law. If you guys go back to my channel back in June, I told you what happened, how she got caught. She was doing a Zoom, and the judge happened to see the name switch over, and then the judge caught him. They went to the house, investigated, and boom, all of this started happening. But just go back to my old video. I don't want to repeat that, but I just want to tell you all of that. That's where it came from. That's how the judge found out that she was practicing as an attorney. She was faking that she was an attorney, and she was not that attorney. Okay? Just go back and review that. Now, what we're dealing with today is throughout the whole time from July of 2022 all the way up to March 2023, she was incarcerated. She was being held in detention because of the crimes I just mentioned. Ericka is a very, very smart cookie. I think she studied law some kind of way, because Ericka basically twisted the arm of the judge and her lawyer to be able to get herself bail. Okay. She got bail. And guess what kind of bail she got? Guess what? Can someone tell me what type of bail do you think she got for all the stuff I just mentioned? What type of bail do you think Ericka got? And this is an interactive chat, y'all. I love being like a teacher since I did not go in my dream of job of being a teacher. I like to do it with my people in the chat. So what kind of charge bail would you think that she would get? How much do you think she would get? Pretty Brown now said house arrest. Do you think she had to pay any money? To be what type of bail? I know you said house arrest. We know that. But how much money do you think that she had to pay to get out? Nothing. That's it. The prize goes to Spitting Fire. Spitting Fire, you get a prize. Y'all don't know what kind of prize you get, but you get a prize. You get a prize for that. I might find something around here to give you as a prize. A snitching bail, she said. Kim said restricted. Shining Light said immunity. Hey, Shining Light. Cool P said no money. Okay, Spitting Fire said nothing. Okay, so they were right. She had absolutely nothing. In fact, she has what you call UJR, right? That basically says that it's an unsecured judicial release to pre-detention services supervised in lieu of financial bond and security. That's what it means. It means unsecured judicial release to pretrial services supervision in lieu of financial bond or security or that's what it's okay. Now here's the reason. You finally won something in my channel. Yes, you won something in my channel. You know what, Spitting Fire? I'll find something around here to give you because I didn't expect you to win. I'll find something around here and send you. But anyway, she does not have to pay any financial bond, but she's still under the certain condition. And here's the reason why the court wrote some notes on the side of this. I'm not showing you guys this stuff because it got some personal things, information, and I don't want to do that. I don't want to put it out. But here's some of the notes that the court took in regards to giving her that type of bond, a UJR, which is no monetary amount. Okay, the notes that the judge put in there. Judge Manning said, first of all, that she had significant, serious health challenges. And I'm going to read something that happened to her while she was in jail. And that's why the judge, they don't want any liability on them because Rice Street is having a whole bunch of problems, right? So they don't want that liability on them because this girl was writing letters left and right, writing to the judge. So the judge was like, we are not going to be liable for that. We're going to give her a UJR. And they also gave it consideration of her history. Okay. Yes, she has had some crimes, but the court noted that because she had no felonies, she had not one felony, but the crimes that she has had, they are non-violent crimes. So she had no history of violent crime. So therefore, she was a great candidate for her to be able to get a UJR. Okay. So she was able to get a UJR. Okay. Now, the court also noted that she had been in custody for over 240 days without any kind of bond. And then the amount that they originally had for her when her initial was too high. She couldn't afford it. She didn't have that kind of money, even though they was doing a lot of scam work and stuff like that and getting people money, but she didn't have the money. So they gave that into consideration. Now, here's some of the restriction, the special conditions that was set by the court for her. Number one, she had to reside with this individual in the upper parts of Georgia. I'm not giving you the name or anything like that. In the upper parts of Georgia, she had to reside with this individual, right? The only time she has to have a monitor, 24 hours, 7 days a week monitoring system on there, with a GPS anchor monitor. The only place she can go to, she can only go to her, she's under house 24-hour house arrest. I mean, she can't step outside the door unless she go into the following places. She can go to church. She can go to her medical visit. She can, if she has a medical emergency, she can go out. Her court appearance, to go see her attorney for consultation. She cannot use iCloud account, and she must appear at all court hearing, right? She must turn over her password to all her internet access, right? She has to, as she says, she has to turn over all password for all her electronic device. She must surrender her passport within that 72-hour time frame. She can't leave the country, and she cannot leave the state of Georgia. So she can only sit in her house 24/7, can't step outside, can't go outside and have a smoke. She has to stay there, and she has to live with this individual in this other side of town. Okay? And anything that she does, she has to get a permission from pretrial. Pretrial is her babysitter. Okay? Pretrial is her babysitter. She can't go nowhere. She can't do nothing. And they monitor her. The minute she move out the door, she got to tell them, hey, I am going to church. And they're going to ask her what time she's going to church, what time she's going to be back. And if she doesn't be back, if she's not back by the time that she said, they're going to put a little thing on there saying, hey, judge, she's violated her terms of her bail. And then the other thing too, she might have to come and do a hearing for revocation or whatever. Or if she does something, they're gonna like pull her chain a little bit, and then just like they did with Miles Farley. Remember, he had a hearing when he stepped over the line a little bit, and they had to reel him back in. That's what she has to do. But now, what I am going to do now, y'all, and that bail, she got the bail on March 14th. That's when the judge signed over for her to get the bail, for her to get on the monitoring system and things like that. Okay? Now, here's what's going on. Ericka, back in November 2022, Ericka was at Rice Street in jail, right? She was in custody, right? And she has had a medical condition. Her medical condition is something that has severity and is really detrimental to her, okay? I'm going to read a letter she wrote to the judge because she experienced something while she was in lockup, and which caused concern for her. And I'm going to read this letter to you guys. It says, November 11, 2022. Letter to presiding judge regarding inmate personal health care concern. Dear Your Honor, I am an inmate currently detained in the Fulton County South Annex in Union City, Georgia. My booking number is, I don't need to read that. On July 22nd, 2022, I was arrested for various criminal allegations by the Roswell Police Department and allowed to bring my prescribed medication into custody with me. I was booked in the Fulton County Central Jail location, 901 Rice Street, and an inventory of my medication along with some scribe verification was conducted. I can't understand that. SON or SUL, scribe verification was conducted by jail healthcare staff. The medication were locked away along with other personal property, specified clothing and shoes shortly after. So, guys, they locked up her medication along with her clothes. And I guess they didn't give her, I'm gonna continue to read. So I guess they might have not given it to her, but they locked it up along with her outside clothes and things like that. You know, they take an inventory of what she has and they lock it up until she gets out, right? She says, I was booked in under Ericka Hughley. That's where that Hughley name come from. Despite the fact that I informed the arresting officer and jail booking clerk that my name is Ericka King. So that's where we get the Hughley. Okay. I understand that the correspondent SEC, I can't see what that is. SEC. Okay. Contain personal health care and identification information, which may appear in public records. So she knows this, whatever she's writing here is going to appear in public records. So she knows we're reading this. This is public record. Okay. It is imperative that I share the following information with the court. So she knows her medical history is going to be read on the outside. So she don't care. She's just going to put it out there. Okay. So this is public record that I'm reading. Okay. Things that are like really, really personal, I might not say, but the general stuff, I'll read it because right now she knows that she's writing it to the public and the public sees it. Okay. So anybody want to come at me? Not today. Okay. She said, it is imperative that I share the following information with the court because I am having serious health issues and I am fretful for my life. There was a recent inmate death. I am extremely traumatized. Currently, I am being housed in the A pod of the South Annex of Union City Jail in cell A-11. This particular cell has floods with water containing human waste. Oh my God. Did y'all hear that? Oh gosh. She said it's flooded and it has human waste in it. Oh, how disgusting. Oh. Should I continue reading, y'all? It sounds so disgusting. Ugh. Ugh. Y'all, should I finish reading this? Shining lights and yuck. Can you imagine? She's in the room and there's a toilet in there. That's when the toilet get clogged up. And it just like overflows. And the feces is like all over the floor. Oh, gosh. Can you picture that? I know people are going to say, oh, she's so dramatic. But just picture that, y'all. Just picture that. This disgusting scene. Just picture the disgusting scene. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, here we go. I'm going to try to get through this. She said in cell A11 this particular cell has floods with water containing human waste from time to time due to prolonged plumbing issues. I have followed the chain of command as described in the inmate handbook and filed a grievance with the jailer. Yet the flooding continues to happen. My cell is supposed to hold 8 inmates, but there are 10 housed within the cell with me. Ooh, could you imagine the amount of feces with 10 people? Oh, one toilet. The amount of feces. Human waste. 10. With the cell, with myself and other inmates sleeping on the floor. Oh my God. They're sleeping on the floor. Oh my God. Oh, okay. It's more. Jesus. It's more, y'all. It's more. Hold on. with the cell with myself. Okay, with the cell with myself and others, inmates sleeping on the floor. At the point, the jail is simply provide us with flood blankets. It's gross, Lady JS. It's gross. But they gave him flooded blankets. It's soak up that water, the feces water. Lord Jesus. I suffer with autoimmune. Oh, she suffered with autoimmune brain disorder called MS. I was newly diagnosed in May 2022, approximately 60 days prior to my arrest. I'm not fully educated on how to properly care for myself with this condition. Despite my effort to try to get the proper medication, the jail medical staff continuously refused to dispense the appropriate medicine that I need for my condition. I am being denied numerous neuro. I don't know what the word she put in. I can't understand her handwriting. Deny. I don't know what this is. Norroly. Norley? I don't know what that is. Somebody Noeroly. Maybe I just can't. I can't see what it is. Her handwriting is weird, and I can't. I think it's an N. Noeroly. Norley. Okay. Care service while in custody. This jail is overcrowded and understaffed. I have no one to seek assistance from as the detention officers are disgruntled and hostile. Enforcement on hostile environment. On October 24th, 20 neurological, but it's not neurological because listen, Teresa, let me tell you how she spelled it. She spelled Noeroly. You see? No. Asnac. She says Noeroly. Maybe she's trying to say what y'all saying. Neurologically. I don't know. Okay, that's what she spelled. So I don't know. It's close to what you're writing, Asnac, but that's not what she spelled here. Okay, so let me finish. She said the employees, the detention officers, they are disgruntled and they are hostile and they make it a hostile environment, right? She says on October 24th, 2020, maybe it's new. On October 24th, 2020, at 5 p.m. estimated time, Eastern Standard Time, I appeared via Zoom before the Honorable Alexandria Manning, that's Judge Manning, and was represented by attorney Bianca Calloway. But due to some technical difficulty during the fast-pacing hearing, my defense attorney was not able to screen share my medical records in its entirety during the Zoom proceeding. My attorney also advised the judge of the dilemma with my name. I'm bringing this to the attention of the court because I am unsure if Your Honor is aware of the condition here in the South Annex Jail. I have been in custody for 106 days, and I've never seen I have never been seen by a nurse practitioner only. I've only been seen by a nurse practitioner only, but not an actual doctor. They continued to deny me essential essential. I don't know. It looks like she said essence, but I think she's trying to say essential medical care needed for MS and optical neuro neuritis. Now this one is neoritis. Neoritis. That's what she said. And blindness caused, so she has blindness. It says blindness caused by MS. I have asked my family to include, along with this correspondent, a letter from Dr. Diana Vargas, a board certified neurologist. I guess that's what she was talking about, what you guys were saying. She just don't know how to spell it. She even spelled neurologist wrong too. At Emory Brain Center, as well as my inpatient hospital stay summary, which includes notes from my ophthalmologist, neurologist. With neurologist, I have also image from my MRI of my brain detailing the IS correct lesion. She has lesions, y'all, on her brain. Your Honor, it is my prayer that you can intervene. That's intervene. You can. She put CALL, but it's like I think that's her N. You can intervene and have the jail grant me access to the essential medical care, respectively, Ericka King. Okay, so that's what she wrote. And then she has copies of her medical condition. She has MRI image picture. She has the medical, what is this? The diagnosis from the doctor of her condition. She has the final report. She has the visits that she was there back in May. She has the next visit that she's supposed to have. I guess she didn't get it because she was in jail. Her next visit was supposed to be August 4th at 12:30, but she never made it because she went to jail on July 22nd. And then she got the pictures, the images of her brain. Yeah, she got images of her brain. I don't know what the brain looked like, but she got images of it. And also she has the corresponding letter that they send from the court. Okay, so that's what she has in there. She could still steal identity and money. Do we believe her as she a gamer? Well, they let her out, so obviously what she has in here is the truth. They had to contact the doctors and stuff. So, all right, so she was able to get her bond, and she got bond because of her medical condition. But I wanted to read something else that happened in the jail to her. And this is why she was so concerned because of what. Good evening. Miss Strawberry needs to file for divorce if never legal married, since husband still married to the first wife. Jay Edwards, I don't know anything about that. I didn't do any investigation on that. All I can do is hear stuff that's said on the internet. I don't repeat things unless I can read stuff myself. I don't repeat anything that I can't verify myself. So if it's being said, that's being said on the internet. I don't know. I can't tell you. I can't agree. I can't disagree. I just don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, now here's the first letter that has no. That's the second. I need the second letter. The second letter that she wrote to the judge. I'm going to read this, and this is what I think they were able to give her a final release because this was very concerning. This was very, very concerning. This happened in the jail. This particular thing happened in the jail, and she wants to. Oh, you're welcome, Jay Edwards. You're welcome. It's just that I don't talk about stuff that unless I see the document, and because the way these people be suing folks up in this place, I try to make sure I have some document to back up what I'm saying, because these folks are just furious, outrageous. Hold on a second, guys. I'm not gonna read the bond thing because we already know about that. So on January the 17th, 2023, she wrote another letter to the judge, and this is a letter that I believe that helped her to get on out of the jail. And I think the jail did not want any liability, because you see how many lawsuits has been happening with that jail. A lot of lawsuit, right? But this is what she wrote to the judge. All right, here we go. Well, she wrote this to the clerk, and then she wrote another letter to the judge. Okay, let me read the clerk letter first, and then read the judge's letter. It says, "Dear clerk, the deputy clerk in the jail pod that I am housed in told me my case is handled by the magistrate court. Therefore, please file and forward the following doc. In each case, there are two separate cases of which I am the defendant, which are case number, and the case number there, blah 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 blah, and the case number, blah blah blah, indicted for each set of documents that are being submitted on my behalf. I am hereby asking the court again to intervene. I have been in custody since July 22nd, 2022. I am not receiving the much needed essential health care for my brain disease." Okay. She's asking the clerk to forward her letter to the judge from her. Now here's the letter that she wrote to the judge. Okay. Y'all ready? Now, I think this is what helped her to get on out, because the first letter was back in November when she was saying that she had this disease in her brain and all that, but they didn't budge. So this letter is written in January. So that's like November, October, November, December, January. Well, about 2 months. 2 months before somebody heard her in this. Well, she didn't get out until March. So it took a little time for them. But listen what she wrote. You ready? Oh, that's ready. Give me a thumbs up. I need some interaction in here, y'all. Come on. Give me a thumbs up. We're going to do some thumbs up exercise. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thank you, Lady Coltrane. Thank you, Kimberly. Come on, get the thumbs up. Come on, Snack, hit the thumbs up. Shining Star, thank you. Ladies, what about J. Edward? Are you getting the thumbs up? See, y'all should never say something, because I see y'all in the chat. So get the thumbs up. J. Edward, are you still in here? Get the thumbs up. Teresa, you still in here? Get the thumbs up. Come on, Teresa. Teresa Turner. Come on, let's see some thumbs up. T-Girl, thank you, thank you, thank you. Stephanie, thank you. All right, J. Edward, we got it. Sean, that explains why she's so different. What did you say? That explained that? Hold on a sec. Hold on. Let me read what you said. So different now. Oh, yeah, that's probably why. Yeah, because, she looked better. Oh, let me shut up. Musa. Thank you, Black Beauty, Kenya, guys. Thank you. I don't know how. Okay, Teresa. At least I know you're here, Teresa. You're still here. Okay, Kimberly. Everybody that's here. Come on. Let's. Sean, you're right. She do look different in the picture than what she was looking like in the video. You are absolutely right. Great observation. Because I did see the video. I saw the video, Sean. Sean, where's your thumbs up? You said you're making comments, but you ain't hitting the thumbs up. Let me see the thumbs up. Let me see your thumb. Hit that. Do your thumb. Spin 5. Thank you. Spin 5 complaining. She said her thumb hurt. Okay, y'all. Let me go ahead and read. I was waiting for Sean. Sean, you're sitting. Where are you? Come on, Sean. Everybody's waiting on you, Sean. Say something. Say, I'm here. I'm here. Y'all, I tell you. Y'all never, y'all like, oh my God, what's wrong with her? Why she wants me to hit the thing? I'm just in the bushes. Lisa, thank you, Lisa. Lisa said, Miss Sylvia, you are the best. Keeping up the good. Oh, come on. Now, Lisa, you got to hit, hit the thumbs up, Lisa. I'm saying, do you hear me? Thanks, Lisa. Okay, let's go. All right, so y'all like my students. This is like my dream to be a teacher, but I couldn't do that, so I'm using y'all as my student. Okay, thank you, Kia. All right, so on January 17th, 2023, right? You know, isn't that Steve Harvey's birthday? Isn't his birthday January 17th? Okay, never mind. That was a small note. Okay. Dear Your Honor, to whom it may concern, on May 12th, 2022, I was, oh, y'all listen to this. Listen to what happened to her, y'all. Listen to what happened to her. Listen, Linda, listen. On November 12th, 2022, I was brutally attacked while in custody here at Fulton County Jail. Oh, tell us more. I am having medical complication resulting from my injuries. Yeah, Nakenya, that was Steve's birthday, so it happened to her. And okay, so she got attacked, y'all. Listen, listen, listen. Shh, be quiet. Listen. I'm gonna say it again. I was brutally attacked while in custody in Fulton County Jail. I am having medical complication resulting from my injury. I have a brain disease called MS and head trauma that happened during attack that has affected me. That's why they had to hurry up and get her out of here. Don't pay no money, just get on out because they do not want to be held liable, y'all. They don't want to be held liable. They don't want that because now it's documented. Okay, let me read it. Hold on, y'all. Listen, listen, listen. She says, okay, listen, listen. This is what happened. On the day of the attack, which was November 12th, 2022, Saturday. She remembered exactly what day. It was a Saturday, y'all. Braille M. James. Is her name Braille? It's Briale. Brielle. Okay. Brielle M. James. That's the inmate. An inmate accused of murder. Woo! They put an inmate that is accused of murder with somebody who's a non-violent crime in the same cell. Oh, Jesus. Lord have mercy. Okay, so, okay. Braille M. Jane and an inmate accused of murder jumped from the top bunk of the cell, A1, and landed, boom, on top of me while I was sleeping on the floor. Mm, mm, mm. So if she jumped on top of her, hurt her head. Thank you, Sean, for hitting the thing. Thank you, Trissy, for hitting the thumbs up. So she was sleeping on the floor, on the floor, right? And Braille, her head, whatever her name is, Miss B, jumped from the top of the bunk on top of her. And landed on me while I was sleeping on the cart floor. Inmate James then proceeded to punch me. Oh, Lord Jesus. Oh my God. Listen, she detailing it, y'all. Come on, let me read it. I'm gonna go ahead on and read it because I don't want y'all to be too much suspense. Okay. Inmate James landed on top of me while I was sleeping on the cart floor. Inmate James then proceeded to punching me in the back of my head, and she grabbed my hair and began to bang my head on the steel toilet. What? So I turned my head, trying to prevent more punches on the back of my head. Inmate James then began to punch me in my face, mainly in my eyes and nose area, causing 2 black eyes and blood everywhere. You know why she did it? This was because over my commissary and offered to take my food. The deputies didn't enter the cell until after the attack. The incident was documented by the jail staff and Sergeant Ericka. Oh, I don't know how to say her name. Sergeant Diockapara. Whoever, you guys figure how to say her name because I'm not going to even try it. Took photos of my injuries and an iPhone cell phone. The attack happened around 11:30 p.m. Saturday night. I was made to sleep in a cage on South Annex from around midnight until 7 a.m. on Sunday, November 13, when a nurse provider reported to work. The nurse informed the deputies that I had suffered head trauma. Ooh. That I had suffered head trauma and needed to go to Grady Hospital to be examined. I was transported to Grady around 2 p.m. on November 13, 2022. And Deputy K. Bale, the doctors at Grady treated me for my injuries and gave me a referral to Grady's Stroke and Neuro Services Center, attached hospital discharge paper. A copy of these discharge paper was given to the transporting deputy, who gave them to the jail medical staff once we returned to Rice Street. Since that time, over 60 days ago, I have waited for the jailers to take me to the center lately in oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. To take me to the center. Lately, I am in recent I am I don't know if this is recent or receipt. I am in receipt of a clerk. I am receipt. She didn't spell it right. Receipt of the clerk court. I in I'm in receipt of the court, the clerk of court, December 14, 2022 letter addressed to me. The letter referred me to attorney Bianca Calloway. However, Miss Calloway is not answering my calls. Did she resign from my case? If so, when? I haven't seen any such written notice sent to me here at the jail. Therefore, I am requesting that the clerk of court to provide me with a copy of all of Attorney Calloway's notices and or motion filing on in the above case. Thank you, Ericka Hughley. And then she put her discharge paper from Grady. Oh, it gave us some heavy drugs. Ooh, anything with codeine in there is like some heavy drugs. Hmm. Oh, wow, y'all, listen to this. She says, reason for returning to emergency room. I want to see what her diagnosis was. Hold on a second. They gave her 3 type of medication. Okay. This is what they said. They have closed head injuries. That's what it says here. Closed head injuries. And it says it has a line showing the brain, right, in the picture. Maybe I could show y'all the picture. Hold on. Let me show y'all the picture. Can't show you anything else, but I could show y'all the picture. Hold on. Let's show y'all the picture. Okay, let's see. You see the picture right there? It has brain right there. And these are the medication they gave her. But y'all see that right there, right? It says a closed head injury happens when the head gets hit hard. The strong force of the blow causes the brain to shake in the skull. This movement is caused by the brain to bruise, swell, or tear. Sometimes nerves or blood vessels also gets damaged. This can cause bleeding in and around the brain. A concussion is a type of closed brain injury. What are the symptoms? And it says here, what girl, and it has her name here, Ericka King. Whew. Okay, stop sharing. Yeah, I saw that, right? Yeah, I saw that, right? Okay. It's telling her the best treatment. They tell her to rest and says drink, get plenty of sleep. Try to rest during the day. Avoid activities like physical and mental demanding. No housework, exercise, schoolwork. Don't play the video game. Don't send texts. I guess anything that's messing with your brain, she can't do none of that stuff. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. All righty. So that was the reason why Ericka was allowed to be released without any bail. She was allowed to be released without any bail. And who is Ericka? Ericka is the individual that was that is Ernest William co-defendant. You know, Shirley Strawberry's husband, his co-conspirator, the one that was supposedly doing the crimes with him, allegedly doing the crimes with him, allegedly. I can read what she was charged for. You guys want me to read that? But the reason why I was telling y'all the reason why she was released from jail is because of those reasons right there. She already has the medical condition. On top of that, that she was injured in the jail by another inmate. Damn, yeah. Why is she? Exactly. CJ speaks. Exactly. So she is with the Okay, we're gonna read her charges, and so you guys will know what kind of charges she had. And shouldn't this be a white collar or something? Yeah, she definitely was a white collar crime, definitely. But she's in there with a murderer. She's in the cell with a murderer. But remember, Rice Street is overcrowded, and there are inmates dying left and right in that jail. Inmates are dying left and right. Shout out to all my new subscribers, y'all. I hit 17,300. Shout out to all you guys. Thank you for getting me that hump. I'm trying to get to that 20,000, y'all. Get me to that 20,000 so I can bring more content to you guys. I'm gonna bring it anyway. But that's why she was released. She is on a house arrest. She has a monitor on her. She can't go anywhere unless you go to church, doctor, visit, attorneys, and all that. Yeah, so but we're gonna read what she's charged with, okay? We're gonna read what she's charged with, and it's not whole hard crime criminal act. Let's just read some of the charges, okay? She was charged with acting like she was an attorney, right? She was charged with that, like she practiced the law. Um, the other thing she was charged with was okay, we're gonna read this. We're gonna read this. She filed some paperwork, y'all. She filed some paperwork. She was charged with that kind of stuff. I mean, she's been in jail for a year. I think she paid for the crime. So I think she should just go ahead and be released. Well, no, she got out before a year because she's out right now. She got out before a year. All right, you ready? Ruby says should take the deal and cause prisoners worse. Yeah, she Okay, let's read the arrest affidavit. I don't know if you guys got a chance to hear her arrest affidavit. I know y'all heard about Ernesto, but let's go ahead and read hers. Let's go ahead and read hers. You ready? This is Officer Fields, and I'm not gonna read all the boring stuff. I'm just gonna read from February 1st. On February 1st, 2021, a pursuant civil action number 20 ED 167485, Shirley Strawberry defendant, embodied through the counsel April. Oh, so this was the case that she had filed acting like she was the attorney April. There was a civil suit. Um and this is when the judge happened to see the thing turn over and see her. Do you want me to read that? Because I know I read it before. Do you guys want me to read that? All right, let's go ahead on and read that. C speaks as she is in county jail, everyone housed together. It's a sad situation. Oh, she's no longer in jail, y'all. She's out. She's out of jail. She's on home arrest. Remember, she's on house arrest. So she's out of jail. She got out on March the 14th on no financial bond. Yeah, she was hitting her head. Ooh, oh, Lady JS. And the crime that she did, she does not deserve to be attacked like that. What are her initial charges? Okay, I read it before, but I'll read it again for you. Ask Nat. Hold on a second. Let me tell you the charges that she got. All right, her first charge is forgery in the first degree, forging documents. Okay. Second one, she got knowingly filed false document against the person because she filed. I didn't know that was a. Oh my God, y'all! Because it was a lawsuit. So if you file a false lawsuit lying, you can go to jail. That sounds like something. We're gonna read it. Okay. Let me read all these charges. Okay. Forgery in the first degree, all documents. For knowingly file false document against a person, knowingly file false document against a person, impersonating another in an acknowledgement of bail or judgment, recumbence, bail or judgment, unauthorized practice of the law, forgery in the first degree, all document, forgery in the first degree, all document, forgery in the first degree, all documents, aggravated identity fraud felony, aggravated identity fraud felony, aggravated identity fraud felony, aggravated identity fraud felony, false statements. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 charges, and all of it is me. No, she doesn't have any signature bond. Nope, no signature bond. She got released on no bond. UJR. I just read it earlier, Ms. B Corner. Ms. B Corner, she got released on UJR. UJR. What did I say? UJR or UJS? I read it earlier. Good evening, Linda. So, okay, Ms. B, I think that was her original bond, but when they released her, she got a UJR, UJS, UJR, whatever that thing is. But did you hear the incident that happened to her while she was in jail? I think that's the reason why they let her go, because that whole incident, they don't want to be held liable for that mess that happened in that jail. Especially, they know that she had a medical condition and they did not take care of a medical condition. And also, she the other lady jumped on her, beat her up, hit her head against the toilet, the stained steel toilet. She's bleeding all everywhere. They take her to Grady. It was a hot mess. It was a hot mess, y'all. A hot mess. Okay, let's read the charges that she has. So on February 1st, 2021, pursuant civil action number 20ED 1674885, Shirley Strawberry defendant. So they would act like Shirley Strawberry was in it, but she wasn't, y'all. By and through counsel April Holloway and in Benzine SB, they put the attorney license number, filed an amendment, answered defendants in a counterclaim to plaintiff Visa Ray USA proceeding in disposition in the magistrate court of Fulton County. So the person filed a disposition, so I guess they was being evicted. So Ericka portrayed herself as April Holloway, as an attorney. And not only did she amended the paperwork, she also did a counterclaim against the plaintiff. So that's what she did. Okay. And it says plaintiff and Strawberry were listed as defendant, right? As Shirley Strawberry was listed as a defendant. On page 5 of the filing is a certificate of service. The certificate of service was sent to Vista Ray USA, Don Pawlowski, and gave the address of that place and then the email. And from April Holloway. So she was acting like she was these attorneys, okay? This filing was electronic on February 1st, 2021 at approximately 12:02, the Fulton County Magistrate Court via Kathleen Robinson, clerk. On February 3rd, 2021, the pursuant civil action number 20ED 1674885, Shirley Strawberry's defendant in Ernest William by and through counsel April Holloway, because that's what she was acting like. She was acting like April Holloway, and in Benzine filed a notice to appeal in magistrate court in order this case February 2nd, hereby Vista Ray USA landlord was listed as the plaintiff and Shirley Strawberry was listed as a defendant. On page 2 of that filing is the certificate of service. The certificate of service was sent to Vista Ray USA, Don Pawlowski. They gave an address. I'm not reading the address, in her email from April Holloway, right? Same people, which is Ericka. We know it's Ericka. And basically, they're getting charged for putting false document, acting like she's an attorney. So each time the document is filed, she's getting an additional charge for it. If she send this, and then so the next day she sent that. So that's one charge, another charge, another charge. That's how she got those 8 charges in that one situation, because she kept filing different paperwork. Okay. So it's just giving more and more. It's like repeating the same thing. But on February 1st at 1 p.m., Fulton County Magistrate Judge Todd Ashley, and to give a case number, presided over the recorded dispensary hearing via Zoom. During the hearing, listen, this is what happened. April Holloway introduced herself representing Shirley Strawberry, while Ernest Williams, I guess he was there at the Zoom. Ericka is pretending to be April on the Zoom, right? No Shirley, but she's representing Shirley, right? Supposedly, but I don't think Shirley was even on the real person. I think they forged Shirley's name. This is my thought, because Shirley wasn't there, Ernest was there, and Ericka is pretending to be April Holloway, the attorney. Okay. So this is what happened, y'all. April introduced herself, right, as representing Shirley Strawberry, right? Holloway argued the case on behalf of Strawberry and continuously throughout the hearing represented herself as April Holloway. Judge Ashley several times throughout the hearing confirmed that the name identified herself as April Holloway is an attorney. The person identifying as April Holloway confirms to the judge that she is an attorney. On July 9th, 2022, Roswell police executed a search warrant at 980 and 990 Pine Grove Road. Remember the houses that I went to? So this is where the attorney, the judge executed a search warrant for those 2 houses. The 2 houses I went to, the one that next door to each other. Remember y'all saying that they wasn't done? They didn't live there at the same time? Yes, they did, because they put the judge put in the search warrant for the 2 houses at the same time on July 9th, 2022. So I know people was like, they didn't live there at the same time. Remember when I went and did the visit? They were like, no, it was separate time. No, it was the same time, because why would the judge send it to both houses at the same time if it wasn't the same time? It was the same time. Because the judge was not going to send something. You knew it, yeah. The judge is not going to send something to the house if that's not the where they live, and it's like they would just put it to one house instead of the other one, right? Okay, so the judge executed a warrant to search, a search warrant, right, to both houses, right, to an ongoing fraud investigation involving suspects. Here's the suspects: Ernest Williams, Shirley Strawberry, Sheridan Strawberry, Ericka King, aka Candy Relford, and James Relford. During the interview of Ericka King, she acknowledged that she worked for Shirley Strawberry and Ernest Williams, the tenant of 90s. Well, she was living at 980, okay? Pine Grove. During the investigation, detective learned that Shirley Strawberry and Ernest Williams lived or previously lived in a different place. She previously lived someplace else as well. Okay. Additionally, detective learned that Strawberry was a defendant in a civil action, the one that we were just talking about with the judge. Okay, that one. For the dispensary hearing discussed above, detective identified the person identifying herself as attorney April Holloway in that hearing was in fact Ericka King. Bam. So that is what she's being accused for. Though that situation, so that, hold on a second. They keep repeating the same stuff here. She knowingly did false papers. Electronically. Okay, yeah. It's repeating the same thing. Okay, hold on. It's just they just do it a certain amount of times. They keep showing the same thing. I don't want to read the same thing over and over and over and over, over and over and over again. Yes, you keep reading the same stuff over because it's so many charges on the same thing, same situation. But so that's her charges, y'all. I know you guys had asked. That is her charge, and they're all white collar crime, and they put her inside of the jail with a violent crime. President. Well, damn, Ericka liked those multiple personality. Miss J, MJ, Miss MJ. She had multiple personalities. She surely did. I was wondering why she looked so different. This explains it. Yes, Wanda. I knew it, Stephanie says. And then, okay. Yes, ma'am, for sure. People you know should be filed on it. Hello. So you know what, y'all? I've been learning a lot being in these court hearing. Let me tell you what I learned yesterday, y'all. Let me tell you what I learned. I learned yesterday, like if you know how you driving, right? And the light change, right? And you don't move when the light change, say you just like say you putting some paper away and you holding up the light. Do you know that's a crime? If the light change, you don't move when the light change, you know that's a crime. Did y'all know that? Do you know it's a crime if if the light change and you don't move? And the people behind you have a right to beat the horn if you don't move. Did you know that's a crime? Well, Miss J, MJ, it's a crime. Because what they say is you're basically obstruction the movement of traffic. It's a crime. It's a crime. And if the cop, they will give you a ticket or give you a citation for that. And if they see that you're using the phone, then you're going to get a double citation. You're going to get that for not moving when the traffic moves, and then you're going to get one for having your phone in your hand. And if you happen to not have your license, you may go to jail. If the officer decide to take you to jail. Even if you give your name, y'all, because people say, "Oh, you just give your officer then your name, they're not gonna put you to jail." They can send you to jail if they went and pull up your name. You didn't have your license, but you're gonna get a ticket for not having your license with it. Passing gas in a crowded room is also a crime. You digging me? Probably is. It probably is. You guys, you don't know. That's why they say every day we commit a crime that we don't even know about. We committed crimes every single day. Just batting our eyes, we committing a crime. And if you're using these cell phones now, you're going to be held responsible for a federal crime. You know why? Because you're making a phone call to another state, interstate commerce. If you take a picture of somebody, it's a lot of crimes that we commit every day, y'all. Every day we commit a crime. So that's why I'm here to bring you some information. 411. You just pray and ask God, Lord, don't let this crime catch me. Please don't let them arrest me for this crime. That's what you got to do. And I'm not being funny, but it's the fact. Speaking of crimes, guess who I'm going to have on my channel for next week? Can you guys guess who I'm going to have on my channel next week? Can you guys guess who I'm going to have on my channel next week? MJ, you said guess. Miss MJ, I said, look, Miss MJ, I said guess. I didn't say don't say I have no clue. I said guess. You have to guess. MJ, Miss MJ, come on now. Give me a guess, please. Please give me a guess. I have no clue. That's the cop out way. Come on. No, wrong, wrong, wrong. No, Mr. William, no attorney, no YSL attorney, no. There we go. Tracy got the inside. Judge Joe Brown. Judge Joe Brown will be on the live. Judge Joe Brown is coming back to the infamous Sylvia channel next week. He told me give him a date, so I gave him Monday. How's Monday for you guys? Let me see if he replied back with that date. He said give him a date. Yeah, he'll be back. Judge Joe Brown will be back. Hold on, I'm trying to get the time. He says, I asked him earlier. He says, what time? Please suggest a date. So I'm waiting for him to say yes. What's the topic? Well, the topic is we're gonna talk about. We're gonna have like him answering you guys' questions. How about that? We're gonna have like a conversation with Judge Joe Brown. Conversation with Judge Joe Brown. As soon as he gives me the okay, I'm gonna put out my my notification, and we're gonna have a conversation with Judge Joe Brown. How's that, Miss MJ? Welcome, Miss MJ. I haven't seen you here, but welcome. I just want to welcome to all my new folks. Let me see who's new. Who is this? Is your first time speaking in this channel? Is your first time visiting this channel? Because I want to do welcome. Like in church, you have the welcome committee. I want to do the welcome committee. My mods and my members on my welcome committee. And I would like to welcome you guys to the infamous Sylvia channel. I just hope you guys like your experience here. That this is a real person's here. I'm a real person. I'm not fake. You're not, y'all. These. I got characters in my chat right now. I got character. Do you digging me? Is my character. Look at this. You got all of these characters out here. You see them? Look at them. Look at them. The characters want to play around. No, I want real new people. I don't want fake people trying to act like they new. No, you digging me. No, Trissy, you're not new. Can I get the real new people to raise your hand? Stand up in church. Stand up in church so we can acknowledge you and welcome you into the house. Welcome, Miss I Am New. Welcome, Miss MJ. How are you today? We're glad to have you. Hope you come back and visit us again. Hope you become regular. Oh, hello, Miss Brown Beachy blogger. Welcome. I wish I had a welcome song to sing to you guys, but I don't have one. We need to make up a welcome song. We gotta make up a welcome song for the folks. My welcome, Miss Brown Beachy vlogs, and Miss MJ. TJ is brand new. Welcome, Miss TJ, Mr. or Mrs. TJ. What is it, Mr. or Mrs. TJ? Welcome, Queen B. Hold on. Are you new? Look like I've seen your name before. Queen B, your name looked familiar. You'll be back? Okay. The committee welcomes Miss MJ. Miss MJ says she will be back. She enjoyed her service here today. Yeah, I'm telling you, I want to be a preacher. I want to be. Look, Lakia, weight loss journey. Lakia, I may need you. Lakia, weight loss journey. We need it because fat girls right here. Look, y'all. I need to put her channel in my chat. Because sorry, y'all, I need the weight loss. Grizz, we're here. Welcome, Greer Jones. Welcome. Okay, welcome, Mr. TJ. back to Miss Lakia. Miss Lakia, I need the weight loss because fat girl is over here. I'm telling you, fat girl. Don't laugh. I'm serious. I'm a fat girl and I need help. I'm a fat girl. Oh, you're welcome. She said welcome because she said she thanked the congregation for the welcome. Don't y'all feel like you're in church for real? Seriously, don't y'all feel like in church? Jay Edwards says it's her first time. Jay Edwards, are you a she or he? It's hard for me to know whether it's a he or she, and I want to give y'all your right name. Oh, and if you go by pronoun, please let me know if you're going by pronoun, because we don't discriminate over here in this chat. We have all people from all walks of life over here, okay? All nationality, everything. Please subscribe. I had surgery 11 years ago. I was journaling my experience. Oh, wow. Lakia, I can't do the surgery. I'm scared to get cut. I don't want no surgery. No, I don't want no surgery. But I can take your tips. Okay. Mr. Edwards, welcome. Hope you guys come back. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope my reading ability did not affect your hearing ability for you to come back to the channel. I got flaws like everybody else. But I would love for you guys to join us in the morning church where we have affirmation and prayer. I would love for you, because let me tell you, that part of our station, our channel, is lacking attendance. People don't show up to church in the morning. You know what I'm saying? So we would love to have you in the mornings. And I'm serious. I think I'm joking, right? I'm not joking. I'm serious here, okay? I love this show. Thank you, Lakia. Thank you. But you know what? I do need the weight loss tips now. I know you got some nuggets that you could share with your girl. You know what I'm saying? Because your fat girl here, she need to get the weight off. And then, here's my problem, Lakia. I'm greedy. No, and I'm not being funny. Let me tell you, I was in a Food Anonymous class before, and I used to teach it, y'all. And I had lost all this weight and all that. But the food demon started attacking me again. I just love food. Oh, you got a few? Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. But I just love food. I love good food. And I like food that is not good for me. Like, the sugar. I was diagnosed with diabetes, but it's just, I'm in rebellious stage. I get angry because I can't eat the way I used to eat anymore. I just got to woosah, y'all. Start calling your name. Huh. Yes, the food be calling my name. It be calling my name. And I just have to answer. It's a bully. Food is a bully. She said, I'm sorry. Get thee behind me, food devil. Exactly, Miss MJ. I'm a sugar girl too. Oh, Lord have mercy. We're in the house. We need to have some therapy session for the food addicts. Some therapy. Sylvia, you mean fat. No. I mean blubber girl. Hey, you know what? Let me show you. I ain't ashamed to show my game. I got a huge falupa here. Like I tell Dallas she have left her house behind. You know what I'm saying? Dallas is my daughter. She has left the house behind. And I need to get rid of her furniture. Her furniture is still right here. Her furniture is right here. Hold on. Here's her furniture right here. Right here's her furniture. It's still up here. See? Furniture. Still there. See? Furniture. You had to get rid of her furniture. She don't want to move. She keep bringing pretty. You admit. You're taking me sad. Pretty, you admitted a crime. I'm telling you, everything we do is a crime, y'all. I got some folks that watches this channel, and they watches for us to do a crime. They record it, and then they take it to court and be lying on me. They'll chop and clip and say, if I say like one word, they'll take it to court and say, I'm not lying, y'all. I'm not lying. I am being sued right now. Yes, I am. I'm being sued right now. But we're going to talk about it when it's over with. We're going to talk about it. You got thunder tie? She said she still got thunder ties. Thunder ties. See, I'm getting tongue tied because that word, thunder ties. Okay. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I'm about to get my butt off this live. Do you guys have any questions for me? Once I get my answer back from Judge Joe Brown, you guys could check out the community wall, and I will have the time that Mr. The Judge Joe Brown will be on. Okay. Oh, I love Mr. Not Mr. I gotta keep him. It's Judge Joe Brown. What message did she put out there that she did a crime? What did she do? What did she put up there? Hold on. I want to see the crime she did. What is the crime that she did? Yeah, she said she did a crime. What crime? Hey, Z, welcome, y'all. We have Z. Z is here. Hi, Z. Hello, welcome. We just had the church's the welcome committee welcoming all our new individuals new for the first time in the chat. Since I have not seen your name before, Z, welcome. Welcome. Hey, you do not y'all stop telling on her. Y'all cannot tell on her. Stop it. Y'all gonna have the police waiting for her at the next next stop. Please don't tell. You don't tell. Don't tell on her. Please don't tell on her. You see how you thinking me going to cause the girl to get a citation, get her to go to jail? Don't do that. You have a good night too, Miss MJ. Have a great, wonderful night. But I'm about to get off this live myself because I have a time limit. I don't try to go past 2 hours because past 2 hours is a little bit too much. And you're crazy. They are too much. But anyway, guys, it was wonderful giving you. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. I will be at court. I will get this. And y'all, I'm putting in my rule. You know what rule I'm putting in. And I'll be able to. I tell y'all the secret later. I gotta tell behind the scene the secret. If you become a member, I'm gonna share some secrets with you. I can't share it on this side because I don't want the other people to know. Okay? I won't let the other people know. Look, they coming into the chat. The chat number's getting back high again. Z, welcome again. But where's Spitting Fire at? Spitting Fire. I know what I can give her. Yeah. I purchased some popcorn for a fundraiser. I'm gonna give Spitting Fire a bag of these popcorn. Easy peasy caramel cheesy. Spitting Fire, you in the bushes? This is what I'm sending you. Not this one, a brand new unopened. And there's some good popcorn too. There she go snacking. Where's she at? Where my diet vlogger at? Where's she at? Lakia, help. See, I need your help. I need your help. Help me. And this popcorn is so good. I don't care if you call me fat. I don't care if you talk about me. I don't care. Yeah. Yeah, but these popcorn are so good, man. It's cheesy, got the caramel. It's better than Garrett's. You know Garrett's in Chicago? That thing's so good. You're gonna want to slap your mama. Oh, it's so good, y'all. I've been eating on it. I gotta brush my teeth after because I went. Look what she said, girl. I'm eating cheese. Look. She said the best snacker. Look. I gotta eat on this side because this side, I think my teeth are jacked up over here. I gotta eat everything on this side. This is when I had dental work done, and so I could chew. See, I gotta repent. The popcorn, I gotta repent. Hey, Wanda. Wanda, this is so good. Wanda said Pam. Pam is in here? Pam is the bomb, man, y'all. If y'all really want to break down the legal way, Pam is the attorney to go to. I'm not an attorney. All I do is tell you what's on the paperwork. I read it, and I even don't know how to read it sometimes, but I tell you what it is. I'm a real person. I'm a real person. Toss was in Shrek. Remember the little candy man? She said, I'm a real person. I'm a real person for real. Look, the kid, look at her. Look what she's saying to us, kid. Look what she's saying to us. Look. I eat my popcorn. But let me tell you how good I was. It took me 3 days to eat this popcorn. I put it in the refrigerator, and I eat a little bit at a time. Because this bag is a 7-ounce one. 7 ounce, 33 ounces. 7.33 ounces. And it's so good, y'all. Let me tell you something. If Gucci do this next year, I'm going to give me some more popcorn. Some expensive popcorn, but it's for the cause. It's for the cause. You know what? Let me do a raffle. Who want to be in the raffle so y'all get a popcorn? See, I want to do... Look, y'all. I want to use my raffle thing right here. Oh, see? Okay. I'm going to put your names in the raffle. I can't eat like I used to. Wow, I just finished. Okay. You want to be in the raffle? Talk. Who wants to be in the raffle for a bag of popcorn? Nakenya? Okay, Nakenya want to be in the raffle. Okay. You put Nakenya's name in the raffle here. I'm going to send y'all some popcorn. Hold on. Let me do the popcorn. Nakenya. Okay, Nakenya's in the raffle. All right, here we go. Nakenya's in the raffle. Hold on, y'all. Wait. Y'all put your names. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Got to get the thing open. Okay, we got... Okay, we kind of... Nakenya's going in. Hold on. Let me see who else. We haven't done a raffle in a long time. Okay, hold on, y'all. Hold on. We got Nakenya. We got Miss Green Eyes. Okay, we got the Miss Green Eyes for the popcorn. Hold on. Miss Green Eyes. We got... Hold on, y'all moving too fast. We got Crump Mimi. Okay, Crump Mimi is in there. We got T-Girl. We got Lakia. Lakia, I'm messing your diet. You got Lakia. Let's see who else. Let's see. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. We got hold on. Lakia, we have Devon. Devon. Boom. We got Tall Glass. Tall Glass. We got Lisa. Okay, anybody else want to get into the raffle for a bag of this popcorn? Who else want to be part of the raffle? Miss and Famous. Anybody else? Anybody else want to be part of the raffle? Anybody else want to be part of the raffle? Anybody else? Who wants to be part of the raffle? All right, I'm about to close the raffle. Popcorn is so freaking good. Who else want to be part? Okay. All right, I'm closing the raffle up. I'm closing it up. Calling once. Calling twice. All right, I'm closing the raffle. All right. It's got to be good. It's delicious. Do you want to get in, Miss Infamous? Before I start turning on the knob, do you want to get in? Is the word free? All right. Do y'all want to? Oh, you want to get in, Miss Infamous? You want to get in? Yes or no? Because I'm about to spin. All right, y'all. We're spinning. Oh, you want in? Okay. She's in. Hold on. Let me go add her in. Hold on. Let me put your name on here. All right, here we go. Wanda want to get in too. Hold on, Wanda. Hold on, Wanda. Hold on. Hold on, Wanda want to get in. Hold on, let me just. Wanda wants to get in. Anybody else want to get in before I close the thing here? Anybody else wants to get in? Yeah, we're gonna have all kinds of like raffles later on, treats for people. Because anybody else want to get in? What you're winning is a box of this delicious popcorn. It's called Cheesy Peasy, Easy Peasy Caramel Cheesy. And it's so good. It's better than Garrett's. It is so freaking good. And it'll be mailed out on Monday. Queen Bee said put me in. Okay. Hold on, Queen Bee. Hold on. I went and Queen Bee. I went and put them in. I went and got it because Liddy wanted it. Okay, Liddy. Let me tell you. Gucci's son is on a basketball team, right? And I wanted to support him. Okay, Liddy lit. Okay, anybody else before I close it up? But listen, Gucci's son plays basketball, right? And this was a raffle, right? And put you into purpose or popularity. Okay, hold on. Purpose, popularity. Hold on. Okay, purpose, popularity. It is so good, y'all. Okay. Anybody else? And I took 3 days to eat this popcorn because it was so good. And it is, let me tell you, it's a lot of calories. 150 calories for 1/4 of a cup. And how many servings? It's 7 servings. So you know I'm a fat girl. You know I'm a fat girl. It tastes better than Garrett's, y'all. It tastes better than Garrett. And let me tell you, whoever the winner is, y'all tell me how much you like it. Make sure you come back and say, Sylvia, and you tell the people in the chat how good it is. How cheesy, got caramel. Now, if you have bad teeth, I don't suggest it. Because this side, I can't eat it. Well, this side, I can't eat it. All right, you ready? I'm going to close it up now. Y'all ready? All right. We're going to spin it. Hold on. We're going to spin it, y'all. You're going to see the raffle going. All right. Y'all ready? All right, ready? We're going to spin it. Oh, I want y'all to see it. All right, ready? Ready, go. She said popcorn there. So now you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to open up the slip right here so it can fall out. So whoever wins is going to come out right here. Ready? Ready, set. Whoever names fall out of it. No, it's not coming out easy. Yeah, we're spinning it real hard. All right, here we go. Here goes the winner. I'm going to put my hand in there and pick it out. Ready? I'm not going to look. Okay, ready? Oop. Oh, hold on. Whose name is this? Tall Glass! Woo! Tall Glass, you won! You won the popcorn. Tall Glass, send me an email. Y'all, Tall Glass, send me your email for where you want me to send it to. Tall Glass won, y'all. Sorry, Tall Glass won. Congratulations on Tall Glass. You missed it. Y'all glad that she's not here because Tall Glass has won. Okay, so next time we have a drawing, Tall Glass, email me. Somebody put my email address in there so I can send Tall Glass her stuff. I'm mailing it out. So Tall Glass, congratulations, dearie. Your government name is Sylvia? We got the same name, Queen Bee. We got the same. So Tall Glass, this is the email you need to send me where you want me to mail it at. And guess what? And I'm not even charging her to mail it out because this is light, so it don't cost that much. So Tall Glass, I'll be sending your gift over to you. You're going to win $1 million. Oh, wait a minute. Is it too late to play? I got to go play. I got to go play the lottery. Thank you, Tall Glass. I got to go play. What time is stop taking people to play? I got to go play. Yeah, I got to go play. I got to go play lottery. I feel lucky today. I feel lucky. I'm going to go play. Now, we're going to win together, y'all. I don't know. I don't want to play. I don't want to lose my money. Get my ticket? Okay. I'll go get my ticket. So Tall Glass, email me and I'll send you the popcorn. Yeah, we're gonna have all kinds of giveaways up here because I love giving. I love giving and stuff. I get like free gifts and stuff like that. I love giving. You ask the people in my channel if I don't love giving. You're welcome. But I gotta go, y'all. Y'all have a good evening. God bless you guys and stay tuned. This is a season of giving, October, November, December. Y'all gonna get it. I didn't play lottery today. You didn't play, go play it. Miss Infamous, go play it. Go, we all gonna win. Tell Shannon I didn't win something. Yeah, sorry, you didn't win. So I'm sending 2 popcorns out. One to Spitting Fire, and the other one to Tall Glass. So I'm getting ready to throw this away. You got $40 worth of ticket? I am not buying $40. Only one ticket takes to win. I know your chances are greater when you buy more. Mimi said that was fun. Mimi, we're gonna have a lot of fun up in here. And my backup channel. Oh, Kim and Stephanie. Kim and Stephanie, in my backup channel, y'all, we do a thing on a weekend where you guys guess the music, right? I play a little bit of the tune and y'all try to guess it. We play that game. Where's Kim and Stephanie? Is Kim Stephanie? M.A. Mark slow. What are you talking about slow? M.A. Arch. Are you calling me slow? Are you calling me slow? Let's clarify that. Let's clarify. Are you calling me slow? Well, let's clarify it. That's me here. Are you calling me slow? It's always, and if you're calling me slow, I always say it's always one. I always want to try to ruin our fun. Okay, now this is the channel you guys got to go to this evening. We usually play. We're gonna play what you call Name That Tune. I'm gonna play a small snippet of a song, and you guys gonna be songs from way back, and you guys gotta guess it. That's what we're gonna do. That's the channel you gotta hit. It's my backup channel. It's called the Infamous Slide Channel. That is a channel we do all kind of craziness. We have fun over there because that channel is not monetized, and I'm not so strict in that channel. We could do everything, and you can even curse in that channel. So tonight at around 10 o'clock, we get on that channel and we play Name That Tune. But I gotta go play my lottery first. What time lottery stops taking lottery? Can somebody tell me? I don't feel like playing lottery. You know what? Tall grass, if you win, let me know, okay? Because I don't feel like going back outside. It's cold out there. I don't feel like going out there. I didn't have a feeling that I was going to win, so I'm not going to play. What? Yes. Hit that. That's the link to go do the game then for tonight. We just like to have fun, get to know one another. And then I have all kinds like questions and like conversation starters because I'm gonna do conversation starters in between of us playing. See, it's conversation starters and stuff like that. See, whoop! I just dropped the whole box of things. Crap. That's what happens. See, these are conversation starter cards. And then when we get like really, really late at night. Okay, thank you, Tall Grass. Look, if we get really, really late at night, we start getting the hanky-panky games. Yeah, we're gonna start talking the hanky-panky game. Okay, like for example, this is a question that we have right here. It says, what does the outfit you're wearing say about you? What does the outfit that you're wearing right now say about you? See, these are conversation starters. We do that in between the songs because else they'll be trying to stop the channel, and so we do talk in between the song. But anyway, guys, I gotta go. I gotta get myself ready. So Tall Glass, blessings to you. I pray that you win that $1 billion, whatever that money is. I pray that you win so we can win. I say I'm not about to go to bed. It says I'm about to go to bed. That's what yours says. Your outfit says you're about to go to bed. My outfit says, hey, what's your name? That's what my outfit says. It says, hey, what is your name, lady? Yeah, I'm picking up this blessings receive. Amen. Amen and amen. All right, y'all. I'm just gonna put this up here. Yeah, I'm not going out tonight. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna end this live, and I will be back on at 10 o'clock for our game. 10 o'clock for our game, and I'm gonna set it up right now, and I'll see you guys then. God bless you guys. Love you, and hope you guys enjoyed the information that I brought up. I will be at the hearing on October 17th for Mr. Williams, and later, guys. And thank you for all my new subscribers. I hope you come back, and I hope you enjoy this channel. And yeah, I will win and be front row at Young Thug's trial. Hello, tell it, bam. All right, Tall Glass, bam. That's it, Tall Glass. All right, guys, love y'all. Bye.